In the grim immediate aftermath of the Second World War, the United Kingdom faced a crippling housing crisis. The Blitz had obliterated thousands of homes, and returning servicemen and their families urgently needed shelter. Enter the Prefab, factory-made dwellings that could swiftly be assembled on site to provide much-needed accommodation. Under the Housing Temporary Accommodation Act 1944 and Winston Churchill's Emergency Factory-Made EFM programme, the government commissioned the construction of over 150,000 prefabricated homes by 1951, far fewer than the 300,000 aimed for, but still a considerable achievement. These prefabs, fondly nicknamed Little Palaces by residents, typically included modern conveniences previously hard to come by. I recall tales from my own elderly relatives talking about tin baths hanging on the side of houses outdoors, but most of these prefabs had 2 bedrooms, indoor toilets, hot running water, and even, for some, gas-powered fridges, luxuries during wartime austerity. Beyond the buildings themselves, residents, encouraged by the wartime dig for victory spirit, took great pride in cultivating their generous front and back gardens, aided by the Women's Voluntary Services Garden Gift Scheme. From 1947 to 1955, prefab gardens were even showcased at the Chelsea Flower Show, and royal family members visited, underscoring the social significance of these humble dwellings. Despite their intended lifespan of only 10 years, many prefabs endured into the 1970s, testament to their practical design, an impoverished population, and the affection in which they were held. Yet, over time, their construction, often using materials like asbestos cement, and their temporary status meant that lending institutions were hesitant to mortgage them, and many have since been demolished. One remarkable survivor is this one, the Amersham prefab at the Chiltern Open Air Museum in Buckinghamshire. Originally one of the 46 Universal House Mark III designed prefabs on the Finch Lane estate in Amersham, it was constructed in 1947 from 26 asbestos cement panels on a wood and steel frame. Its concrete base was laid in June 1992, and the building was reassembled at the new site by volunteers in 1993. It was officially opened in June 1994 by Mr. and Mrs. Brandt, who had lived there from 1948 alongside their 3 children and a pet parrot. At the sprawling museum, visitors step back in time, exploring both the prefab's interior and the lovingly tended garden that reflects the wartime tradition of self-sufficiency and community pride. The Amersham prefab is therefore not merely a building, but a symbol of post-war resilience, community and innovation in a shattered and virtually bankrupt nation, tiny temporary homes that became enduring emblems of hope in Britain's long and often troubled recovery. Hopefully one day that recovery will be complete. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.